Welcome to a video from thedigitallife.com. New Windows 10 build to look at. This is 18956 for Windows Insiders on the fast ring, and there's a few changes with this build. So the first one that Microsoft talk about is a change in the network settings and the status page. So let's fire that up. So here's the status page, and you'll see this is a new look to this page. So it's showing you here the data usage, so you can see how much data I've used in the last 30 days. It's bringing down images on this device, and that's a nice new status page that actually shows you a bit of information rather than just the connected, disconnected. And then here you can see what's been using that data on this network for a device. So they're upgrades, so that's what I've been doing. Windows installs, and you can see Twitter used it, and where I've been updating Microsoft Edge and so on. So quite useful little tool to be able to see what's using all your data, and you can put limits in there as well. So that's quite a nice little function, kind of thing you get with a mobile device, but that's just for your Wi-Fi as well. So like that, that's actually a useful change to the network screen. Okay, so the other changes are fairly all minor. There's some Chinese language input improvements, which I won't show you on here. They're changing some of the notifications to make. So you may have seen, and I don't know how I can simulate. Let's try and get your phone notification or something like that. So with notifications now, they're rolling out to more insiders the ability to adjust the setting when notifications come through. Hopefully I can fire a notification through so we get to see that in action. And there we go, and you can now see there I got the settings option on there for that notification, and I can go and adjust the notification settings for mail, because that was one from the mail app. So that's been around for a few builds, and there you see I've got a your phone notification as well. So that's been something that's been around for a while, but it's only recently gone out on this build. It's gone out to all insiders, so it was on a few insiders before. And the other changes is they're rolling Katana out to all languages. You may have seen me demonstrate that on previous videos. So this is out to more insiders, sorry, not more languages. So there you can see it. I've got Katana, I've had this for a few builds now, but you need to be on US English for that to work. So the rest of the changes are all fairly minor. They're fixing tamper protection back on for all insiders. They fixed an issue with print screen. It was enabled certain UIs would dismiss before you've been able to capture the snip. They fixed an issue with the touch keyboard not launching on certain devices. Some issues with File Explorer. Some issues with where you type it into the search box. They fixed some issues with turning on group policy for search box. They've also fixed an issue with OneDrive that would crash as well. And an interesting fix is that home drive now, home group doesn't show up as a target anymore. So they're saying that's a fix. So in the past you could do that and give access to, and you'd see home group. That's now gone. Home group was a good networking technology designed so you didn't have a domain, but a home network, you could share things together. But that's been pulled from Windows 10, and now those menu items have gone. There are still some known issues, the usual stuff: anti-cheat software if you've got old builds of anti-cheat software, Realtek SD card readers not working, some Japanese IMEI inputs, and a new one is when connected to a cellular network, the network status may be incorrect. So that's actually a new issue, but that's it for the issues. So the issues are actually fairly small now, just really that cellular one that need to fix, and the rest are fairly minor, which is a good sign this early in the development, because don't forget this 20H1 is not due to the first half of next year. Right, so that's all the changes of this build. You can find more on thedigitallife.com. You can follow me on Twitter @ISDixon. Thanks for watching this video.